Helsinki is a city where stately architecture, tranquil waterfronts, and understated Nordic design come together with remarkable ease. Set within one of its oldest and most distinguished neighborhoods, the Waldorf Astoria Helsinki feels entirely at home here, elegant, composed, and deeply connected to the history of the Finnish capital. As you walk through the doors, you are welcomed by a doorman who is always there to greet you, immediately creating the impression that you've arrived somewhere genuinely special. The entrance opens into a beautifully appointed reception area where the atmosphere is calm, polished, and luxurious without feeling excessively formal. High ceilings, historic architectural details, carefully selected artwork, and soft, flattering lighting combined to create an impressive sense of arrival. I was staying for one night and had originally reserved a Double Deluxe Room through the American Express Fine Hotels using my Platinum card. The booking included early check-in where available, guaranteed late checkout, a room upgrade subject to availability, and $100 property credit to use during the stay. At check-in, I was delighted to learn that I had been upgraded to a double premier room. Stepping inside the double premier room, my first impression was one of quiet, assured luxury, but I was excited too. Wow, what a room! The design is not ostentatious or theatrical, instead it relies on proportion, texture, craftsmanship, and an exceptionally refined use of colour. Soft neutral tones are complemented by rich fabrics, elegant furnishings, and beautifully executed details. The bed was undoubtedly one of the highlights of the room. The mattress struck an excellent balance between softness and support, allowing you to sink in slightly while feeling properly cradled. There was also a generous selection of pillows, offering different levels of firmness and softness. The sheets were cool, smooth, and beautifully crisp, while the duvet felt substantial without becoming overly heavy. The room also included a generously proportioned sofa, creating a genuine sitting area separate from the bed. Waiting for me was a handwritten welcome card accompanied by a selection of chocolates, adding a subtle but effective gesture of hospitality. As impressive as the bedroom was, the bathroom may have been the true centerpiece. Calling it simply a bathroom does not quite do it justice. It feels far closer to a private spa. The focal point was a large freestanding bathtub, positioned as an important design feature rather than being pushed up against a wall as an afterthought. The amenities were provided by Aesop, whose understated packaging and distinctive fragrances complemented the hotel's Nordic-inspired aesthetic perfectly. The towels were thick and soft, the robes were comfortable, and there was ample space around the vanity for personal belongings. There was also a spacious walk-in shower finished with beautifully executed stonework, substantial glass panels, and high-quality metal fittings. The water pressure was excellent, and the generous proportions made the shower feel properly indulgent. A separate enclosed toilet room added privacy and made the bathroom considerably more practical, particularly if two guests are sharing the room. Everything felt solid, beautifully finished, and meticulously maintained. After a day exploring Helsinki, being able to return to a freestanding bath and such a serene spa-like environment added enormously to the experience. The lighting throughout the room was particularly well judged. Rather than relying on the beautiful chandelier, the room used several layers of illumination, including bedside lamps and decorative fittings. This allowed the atmosphere to change effortlessly throughout the day. The room could be bright and practical when getting ready, then warm and intimate in the evening. Nothing appeared to compete for attention. The furniture, fabrics, artwork, and lighting worked together harmoniously, creating an impression of refined taste rather than obvious extravagance. The minibar area maintained the same high standard. Drinks, snacks, and glassware were arranged with care rather than simply placed inside a cupboard. There were proper glasses for different types of drinks, which may sound like a small detail, but it reinforced the sense that the room had been thoughtfully prepared. The doors felt reassuringly substantial, the handles and switches have a pleasing weight to them, drawers open smoothly, panels align perfectly, and every surface feels carefully considered. These details may appear minor, but they are often what distinguish genuine luxury from a room that has merely been decorated to look expensive. The design successfully combines Nordic simplicity with classical influences. It feels contemporary without being austere and traditional without appearing dated. If you're hungry, the in-room dining has a selection of delightful treats. Despite the historic setting, the room was equipped with an impressive amount of modern technology. A handheld tablet could be used to control the lighting, television, and audio system. Technology in hotel rooms can occasionally make simple tasks unnecessarily complicated, but the system here was relatively intuitive. After a brief period of familiarization, it became easy to adjust the atmosphere without searching for different switches around the room. The Waldorf Astoria Helsinki occupies 4 interconnected buildings dating back to 1885. Carefully restored, it blends European grandeur with modern Finnish design. The maze-like corridors can be confusing at first, but soon become part of its charm. That evening, I headed downstairs for a 3-course dinner at Varjo, the hotel's ground floor restaurant. The meal was largely covered by the $100 credit included with my American Express booking. Service was attentive, knowledgeable, and well placed. There was enough time to appreciate each course without feeling hurried, yet there were no unnecessarily long pauses between dishes. The food was excellent. Each plate was beautifully presented, although the presentation never became theatrical simply for effect. Across all 3 courses, the combinations were thoughtful and well balanced. Using the hotel credit for dinner also made the overall booking feel considerably more valuable. When I returned to my room after dinner, I discovered another thoughtful gesture from the hotel team. Because the clocks were changing overnight, the staff had left a note reminding guests of the time difference. It was a simple touch, but a genuinely useful one. The following morning, I headed downstairs for breakfast at Lilja Terrace. The restaurant occupies a beautiful glass-enclosed space overlooking the hotel's peaceful courtyard. Natural light, soft furnishings, and a view of the surrounding historic architecture create a bright, graceful, and wonderfully serene environment. Breakfast began with a lovely assortment of freshly baked bread and pastries. The pastries were light, buttery, and delicate, while the bread tasted freshly prepared and had an excellent texture. I accompanied this with coffee, followed by a selection of fresh fruit. The fruit was particularly impressive. It was juicy, sweet, perfectly ripe, and absolutely delicious. I also ordered an omelette, which was well prepared, attractively presented, and made a satisfying centerpiece to the meal. Overall, breakfast was outstanding. After breakfast, I spent some time exploring more of the hotel's communal spaces. This is a property where it is worth looking beyond the bedroom and reception. Throughout the historic buildings are a number of opulent lounges, intimate sitting rooms, and beautifully designed corners. The interiors are thoughtful, elegant, and richly composed. Luxurious fabrics, decorative lighting, artwork, and carefully chosen furniture create an atmosphere of refinement without making the spaces feel excessive or overly staged. Even the smaller rooms and the seating areas felt purposeful rather than like unused corridors that had simply been furnished. I visited the Peacock Bar, one of the hotel's most atmospheric public spaces. The bar has warm lighting, comfortable seating, and an intimate character that would work equally well for an afternoon drink, a pre-dinner cocktail or mocktail, or something later in the evening. Once again, the overall impression came from the details, the materials, glassware, lighting, and carefully considered arrangements of furniture. These public places are not merely areas to pass through on the way to your bedroom, they feel like places where you should genuinely want to sit, relax, and spend time. Before leaving, I was given a tour of the spa, wellness facilities, and fitness center. The spa draws on traditional Nordic wellness principles, combining heat, steam, and cold. One of the most attractive areas is the glass-roofed atrium lounge. This peaceful space includes comfortable day beds, a fountain, and a fireplace, creating a serene setting in which to unwind before or after a treatment. Facilities include a Finnish sauna, aromatic steam room, cold plunge, experience pool, and several tranquil relaxation areas. The sauna is naturally an important feature in Finland, where sauna culture is viewed as an integral part of well-being rather than simply an occasional luxury treatment. There are also private treatment rooms offering massages, facials, and body treatments. The fitness center was equally impressive. It was modern, spacious, and immaculately maintained with cardiovascular machines, free weights, and strength training equipment. It felt suitable for a proper workout rather than being a small hotel gym added merely to satisfy expectations. So would I recommend the Waldorf Astoria Helsinki? Absolutely. Booking through American Express added considerable value through the room upgrade, early check-in, late checkout, and the $100 property credit. For anyone visiting Helsinki for a special occasion, a luxury weekend, or simply looking for one of the city's most distinguished hotels, the Waldorf Astoria Helsinki should be very high on the list. A beautiful, sophisticated, and genuinely memorable 5-star hotel. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to enjoy the journey.